Get ready for a revolution in smartphone photography with Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. Join us as we delve into the latest leaks and discover how this groundbreaking device, with its unique pixel compression and advanced AI features, is set to redefine the smartphone industry. Don't miss out on this exclusive preview of the future of Samsung Galaxy. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra series is making waves in the tech world, with recent leaks shedding light on its much-anticipated camera modules. Despite the sensor components being similar to those of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the expected enhancement in photo quality is likely to be driven by other factors, such as software upgrades and artificial intelligence. Pixel Compression Feature. The camera of the S24 Ultra boasts a unique feature that compresses the pixels in the primary camera into 24 MP images. This function is strikingly similar to a mechanism used by Apple's iPhone. While the sensor modules remain unchanged from its predecessor, the S24 Ultra is predicted to offer superior photo quality, thanks to software optimizations and AI enhancements. Anticipated release industry insiders suggest that the Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are set to be released on January 17, 2024. While some features of these devices have been hinted at, including a high-resolution AMOLED display and the option between Exynos and Snapdragon platforms, the precise technical specifications will only be confirmed on the launch date. Excitement triggered by leak. The recent leak has ignited a wave of excitement in the tech industry, providing a sneak peek into the model's remarkable photography capabilities. The S24 Ultra, with its robust quad-camera setup and advanced AI features, is poised to revolutionize smartphone photography in 2024. The leaked images and specifications of the models have further heightened anticipation. In conclusion, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra maintains the camera sensor of its predecessor, a range of other features and enhancements are set to enhance its photography quality. The eagerly awaited launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is just around the corner, with tech enthusiasts worldwide keenly awaiting to experience the future of smartphone photography. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on our future content. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, take care.